the streetlights' weary glow, lonely shadows from days ago. A whisper is lost in the midnight rain, numb to joy and softly sane. Moonlight breaks through clouds that we, dreams and secrets buried deep, linger here where hearts are one, in the night where pain is born. Echoes fade of laughter past, memories that didn't last, shattered mirrors in our eyes, truth in whispers veiled in lies. Footsteps echo on empty streets, unseen corners where silence meets, a symphony of sorrow's tune, fading stars eclipse the moon. Moonlight breaks through clouds that we, dreams and secrets buried deep, linger here where hearts are one, in the night where pain is born. Echoes fade of laughter past, memories that didn't last, shattered mirrors in our eyes, truth and whispers veiled in lies. Footsteps echo on empty streets, unseen corners where silence meets, a symphony of sorrow.